Back in the 1960s, a dealership in New York was selling cars that were flat out illegal. Big block engines, race-level horsepower, built to destroy anything on the street. They called them Baldwin-Motion cars. And the crazy part, they did it in plain sight. Brand new, full warranty, no questions asked. Now imagine that today. You walk into a dealership and the guy behind the desk slides you the keys to something the government never approved. No speed limiters, no computers pulling you back, just raw power. And the salesman doesn't blink. How long before someone shuts it down? How long before the lawyers show up? Back then, nobody said a word, because that was a different America. And maybe we'll never see anything like it again.